Hey, what's up everyone? So I have a new project going on and I'm gonna be transforming this room into a recording studio for YouTube videos. Let's get started. Alright, so the setup is done, the lighting setup. So let me show you what it looks like real quick. It's gonna look a little something like this. This is what my background will be. And my face will be around here behind this blue light. And this is my background that I'll have while I film the videos to add some more interesting objects on the table, just so it's not something basic. I will be upgrading it in the future, but this is what I have to work with for now. Try to keep it clean and minimal. And this right here is the tripod. This is where my power switches are. And this is the lighting setup. And I will be sitting here. And ignore this pillow here and a blanket here. This is to help cancel out the sound as of right now. I don't have any things that attach to the wall, but I'm gonna order something to help cancel the echo out right now. You can probably hear a little echo right now. That's something I still have to work on. So that'll be my next upgrade for this room. Definitely getting the sound right. So let's put this camera on the tripod and see what it actually looks like while filming. So as you can see, this is what the setup looks like right now. You can see my face pretty clearly here. I do have a little bit of shadow here, but I kind of want to keep that look going. And you can see the desk over here, my background. And if you look over here behind my head, this light makes the table stand out a little more. And it makes my face stand out a little more. You can't really notice it, but there's a little bit of blue lines around me. It's hard to notice right now, but when you turn off the light, there's a pretty big difference. And I'll show you guys what it looks like without the light. And as you can see here, without the light, it just doesn't pop as much. The background just feels a little bland and boring. So I think the light adds a nice touch, and I would highly recommend, if you're doing a lighting setup, that you have a little background light like this blue one I have here. And there you go, we can see the blue lines right here, and it just makes my face pop a little more and the desk show a little more. And that's the setup right there. If you guys are curious what gear I'm actually using to achieve this lighting setup, I'll leave a link in the description below. And if you like this video, don't forget to thumbs up this video. And if you want to see more videos like this in the future, don't forget to click that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications. All right guys, thanks for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.